Hello Stampin' friends, it's Charlene again from stampinwithcharlene.com, and today I'm going to show you something that is in our annual catalog that I think you might overlook, but I want to show you how you can create with this fabulous item that we sell. You can create very quickly a bunch of Hostess gifts to give. If you look on page 173 of the annual catalog, over here we have acetate card boxes. You get for $7, you get 10 boxes. So that's a great value. And I'm going to show you how easy they are to put together. Since you're making one card, you might as well make, several of the same design since you have all of your supplies out. And then what you can do is group them together, put them in the boxes, tie them with a cute ribbon, and you will always have a Hostess gift ready to go. And you will be the star of the party because you will be giving the most unique, creative, heartfelt Hostess gift that anyone will give. I'm going to just use the Valentine's Day cards that I made in my last video. There were 4 designs. So usually when you buy a pack of greeting cards at a store, you get 8 cards in the package and 8 envelopes. So I just took 2 of each design and I put them together. Now what you're going to want to do, here's a little tip, is to make sure they fit in the box correctly, is put 4 of the cards facing one way and then the other 4 facing upside down. That way the bulk is evenly distributed when you put it in the box. You'll see what I mean in a second. And then I have 8 envelopes in the back. Okay, so we'll move my cat out of the frame. Hold on, baby. And that was a blooper, huh? The acetate boxes, they're already cut for you, they're already scored, and they are really thick acetate. So it's a great, great quality. So you just want to fold along the score lines. And I'm also going to show you a little trick to have them easily fit in the box and not get all cumbersome with the little flap. So let's go ahead and fold the flap along the score lines, but we are not going to tuck it in. We will not tuck it into the box. Okay, we're just going to score it for right now, or fold it on the score lines. Okay, then what we're going to do is you want to turn the box over so that the flaps will fold under. So when you put your cards in, you want the flap to be on the palm of your hand. Okay, so you're going to slide the cards in this way, and be careful be careful that your little embellishments don't come off when you slide it in. Just carefully slide them in there like that, and make them nice and even with your fingers. Kitty cat, Mr. Blooper, that's what I should call you, Mr. Blooper. Okay, now let's fold in the little tabs, and then here's the little trick. You don't want to tuck these in, okay? Just because, it'll bend the cardstock, it'll bend the cards, it'll crinkle the envelopes. Leave them on the outside, because what you're going to do is you're going to tie it with this, whatever fun, beautiful coordinating ribbon that you have, and that will keep the tabs, it'll hold them down. Okay, so let's just get our beautiful ribbon here. And of course, I always do it backwards. Let's do it this way. And then this is how we will tie the box nice and tight, and we don't have to worry about those tabs. So let's see, let's cut the ribbon here. This should be about enough. I always guess, and then I have, not enough or too much. Whoops, oh boy, this whole video is a big blooper, isn't it, guys? That's okay. I like to keep it real. That's what my shtick is, keeping it real. Okay, so see, that will give it enough tension to keep the box nice and tight. And then since the sentiment is there, I think I'm going to tie the bow. I will bring it over to the side, bring the ribbon over to the side, and tie the bow at the top so it doesn't block the little from the heart sentiment on that card. If I could only show you what my cat is doing under the table. it's like having a kid. You know, when you have your kids and they're quiet all day, and then the minute you get on the phone, they just are all over you. That's my kitty cat. But I love them. And so we're just going to tie the bow here. And make it so cute. Okay, and like I said, you get 10 boxes for $7. So since you are creating your own cards, why not share them? Look at how cute this is as a little hostess gift. And like I said, the ribbon will hold the flaps down. If you want, you could put a little snail there, or if you have little, your own little stickers or something, like a little clear sticker, but the ribbon is sufficient to hold the box closed. So such a cute, fun, quick hostess gift. So while you're making your cards, let's share our cards with everyone and give them as gifts, okay? The acetate boxes, I will link them below. Remember, now is celebration, so any order that is $50 or above, you get to choose something from the celebration catalog. And also, when you enter the reward code that's listed on my blog, you will, for orders between $25 and $149, you will receive a special gift in the mail from me for the next month. So how about if we make that gift something really fun? Hint, hint. Okay, so visit stampinwithcharlene.com for more details, and thanks for watching.